Yo. Yo. What the fuck was that transition, bro? Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you're new here, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats, reviews, reactions over on this channel. So definitely go check out the rest of the content here. I also have my main channel where I do a bunch of game shows, countdowns, Afrobeat opinions based on music news, and hit the subscribe button for both channels. Okay, today is an amazing day for Afrobeats. The Grammys is still going on as I'm recording this, but right now we've seen strides being made with Wizkid and monumental win for Burna Boy. Okay, Burna Boy bagging the global music album, and it's a big win, man, for contemporary Nigerian music. It is a big win. We're excited for that. Right now I got to react to his Grammy performance. Okay, I wanted to make it a special one, so I quickly ran here to do it. So let's do it on this channel right now. I think Jhené Aiko is about to, am I saying the name right? Jhené Aiko is about to announce Burna Boy into the Grammys for its performance. Okay, and I'm excited, man. This is gonna be mad. I know it. Burna Boy is gonna come through. This is a big scene for him, big stage for him. Let's go.
Hot. We're gonna bring the house down with an African music giant who garnered a Grammy nomination for Global Music Album.
African music giant. Do you know how that sounds, bro? This is mad. His branding is heavy, man. He's branding himself as the African music giant, you know?
With the perfect fusion of Afrobeat, reggae, and pop.
Okay,
from the motherland, let's enjoy the new sounds of Nigerian superstar Burna Boy.
Hey, see intro, there, papa. Hey, let's go. National Theatre, let's go. Woo! It's for the choir. Mad. I know he's gonna have a strong message this performance. I'm curious the songs he's gonna pick. Ooh, sorry I'm pausing too much, guys, but this is hot. This is high. I'm hyped. I'm still on the high of him still winning the Grammys, bro. I'm still on that high, so excuse the energy. Excuse the excitement, please. Okay, level up. Yes. You contemplated giving up when he lost the Grammys. He did. Now he's here. He's bagging it, and he's making a note. And he's performing a song of how he was contemplating giving up but he went on the second try, got tactical, got strategic with this second one, and bagged the Grammy, man. It's crazy. Yes. This is so motivational, man. Shut the devil up. Okay, come on with those back up. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Come on. Hey. Bro, I'm disturbing my neighbors, bro. Like, yo. The energy of this performance, bro. This is mad. Are you hearing the instrumentation, the background vocals? Come on. See energy. Nah, man. This is too powerful, man. Oof. Come on. Yo. I'm done. I am done. The instrumentation, the vocals, the energy. Guys, nah, bro. This is a performance. I'm sorry, man. There's just too much. It's so much endorphins from this, man. Come on. Hey, okay, we're changing the vibe up. Let's go. Nah, man, I love this. This is so wholesome, man. This is a dope music video. First off, like, I know this is all pre-recorded, but it's like a fresh, neat music video for you, bro. And you can imagine this elements that they're bringing in, showing beats and parts of the culture, having the juju drummers there with the and having bro. This is too much. This is too much, man. Guys, hey, come on, push it. Hey, hey, come on. I love this version. I love this juju version, man. Are you hearing those drums? Bro, this performance is mad. Bro, I need to calm down. This is too much. Are you hearing those drums, man? Hey, nah, whoever thought about adding those drums, God bless you. God bless you. Yo, I love the mix of cultures here because those are the Yoruba juju drummers in the back, and I think this is from Calabar. Just reminds me of something like a Calabar festival, man. I love the wall on the background as well, man. The colors that are popping just from this simple performance. This is mad, bro. This is mad. Oh, the vocalists at the back. Oh, they're still doing their thing. They're bringing so much life, so much energy and intention here, man. Oh, this is so much. Hey. Scatter them. Was it? Oof. LOL. Yo. What the fuck was that transition, bro? What was that transition? Nah, bro, let's take that back. Nah. Back. Yo. God. What am I hearing? Hey. Yo. Sing it. Let's fucking go. That was legendary, guys. Come on, bro. Yo. I need to chill, bro. I need to chill. My neighbors are like, what the fuck is going on right now? Bro. Nah, that was insane, bro. That was insane. Where can we start about that one? You might not breathe. Bro. Where can we start with this performance, man? Where can we start? I beg, help me. Bro, help me with this commentary, bro. Where can we start? After bagging the Grammys, man is Burna Boy is he's gone. It's clear. The guy don't clear. I'm sorry, bro. The guy don't clear. Are you, bro? The level. The shout out to the band, bro. The band. The versions that they had on the song, from Onyeka having those juju drums on top of that, and then making almost like a rock infused version of Yay. I need that on my playlist, right? I need to, like, bro, they need to, like, release this live version of those songs. Like, bro, I need this. I need to hold on to this. This was epic. Epic proportions, bro. After winning a Grammy, my guy, bro, this is such a great freaking look for the entire scene. What a way to package a brand. Burna Boy as a brand is gone. He is gone. Man. Guys, man, I don't even know. Like, the entire scenery, the level of details that went into it, the transitions. Hey, transitions of transitions, man. Come on. That was sick. This whole thing was sick. I can't put it into words, man. I just can't. I've never been this animated since maybe, I don't know, Jerusalem remix, but Burna just bossed my head with this one, man. Boss time. Oh God. Yo. See, yeah. I don't know. I'm done at this point, guys. I have to probably let my neighbors know, yo, Abby, it was, trust me, check out this performance. I'm about to send it to my neighbor right now. Come and see this performance. I was making me scream. I've never screamed like this for a minute, bro. Anyways, this is wild. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, trust me, I'm not this animated every video. Trust me, this took a special performance for me to be this, bro. Anyway, chat, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, definitely don't leave without subscribing. I have way more content, way more reviews coming up. Bro, I can't even do my outro properly. Yo, let me know what you guys feel about this performance. I really want to think you guys think is this one of the greatest performances that he needs to be awarded for this performance that he just did. They should do another category for Grammy performances, because this is wild. Maybe this is the Nigerian bias in me, but bro, this was epic. This was great. The song, bro, how electric the band was, man. Shout out to the band. Yo, I keep going back to this. Anyway, let me end this video properly. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, like, share, check out everything, man. I have this channel, I have another channel for more commentary, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. All right.